In this video, let's take a look at how to send a service request to your technician in order to get your boat worked on. From the dashboard, click on Request Service. When you're brought to the service request page, if you choose, you can add a photo of your issue to help the technician understand your request. Next, select the service that you want to perform. So we're going to click the Service Request dropdown, select the service that you want done. In this case, we're going to say we want a teak cleaning or staining. Select the drop-down menu for the vendor. This will pre-populate with only the technicians or vendors who offer this service. If you do not have a vendor already set up in your account, you have the option to invite a vendor. You can invite a vendor by entering their information, or you can use the Find a Vendor section. In the Find a Vendor section, it will automatically detect your location and find the vendors available. You can also type in a preferred location, and it will find vendors based on that location. All you have to do is to select a vendor and then connect with that particular vendor, and then you can go ahead and request a service from that particular vendor. Back on the service request page, you can enter a description for the service you want to perform. For instance, I can say I want the teak cleaned, any scratches repaired, and the surface restained. You can also add a checklist, which makes it easy for them to have a list of items to go through. You can use the sample already set up for you, or you can enter your own. Once the tech marks your job complete, if they haven't completed all the items on the checklist, they will be prompted to do so. You also have the option of editing checklist items and adding photos to provide extra clarity. No more asking for 10 items and only getting 4 done. You will notice the price for the service pre-populates if it's a standard charge, or it will show an estimate is required for approval. When ready, click on Submit Request. Your service request will be sent to the service provider, and it will be listed in your list of service requests.